Umentri Rangba Kajalau Konrad Kisangma Haga Kandai Terik Unaiwing Ulapli Patba Sakaway ka Community and Rural Development C&Rd Block Bathamai Rambrai West Khasi District. Ka Rambrai Block kan petchis pa pratli Kishnong kentup yikitu ki baton ha kithain kaput pat Kajala Assam. Haka jingkren pli haka ni kasngi Umentri Rangba Ulong lingba ki C&Rd Block ka sorkar ka ay ka jing shakri paka nakabenta ki nong shong shnong kamtam nakabenta ka tigathan ka baton ha kijaka kaput. Hakani kajuk kasngi Umentri Rangba ulasam ru ia kijingkershan pisa syakipat pa lingba ka scheme fokus. Ulasam iki kunsniang bat siar ban penchluri kipat nong kendong ban kentiu syusyu ia kayok kokot na lor karep karyang. Hakajuk kapor ka kamris niang ris iar kanwan ra ia kajing paho hakapam kasah ki yo kihat bat haka kemen kasngobha. Hakani kasngi ladon lang Emily kathan ba kim fa marban yang kiriu Rangba kilong kemi bat belai kerhai ki kun samla nakani kathan rengkat ki ofisar chang sorkar jilla.
Dear citizens of this area who have come here to be because of the work done by the leadership whom you have elected and you have sent to the assembly and to the district council to raise the voice for you. It is not just the C&Rd block, but there are many more programs that are combined along with this program. I'm happy to inform you that over 15 such government LP schools today have been either repaired or new schools, buildings have been constructed in this government LP schools, and the rest of the government LP schools also which need renovation. We have already sanctioned funds for it, tendered out, and very, very soon the work order for these and the repair of these schools will also start very, very soon. It may take us 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. Over 3.5 crores for the construction of the Maurang Rambrai 2.5 kilometer road. This has been sanctioned now and the work for this also will start. And I thank the Honorable MLA, I thank the Honorable MDC for taking the initiative to ensure that this project went through. I also would like to announce and inform you that government has taken a decision to upgrade the PHC here in Rambrai to a CHC. This also has been done, and very soon the Health Minister will come along with our Honorable MLA to do the needful.